Hey everyone, it's Megan with Alder and Nance, and today we are not working on any sewing projects, but I am going to go ahead and share a couple of the projects that I have been working on this week. So this week I have been actually working on my website since both of my girls are returning to school. My oldest is back in high school for her junior year. I have to go ahead and share this with you. This is her first day of school photos, and I know I already shared last week that I made the carpenter's apron for her from the artist apron from Gertie at Charm Patterns, but I just had to share these couple of images with you again because I am so excited for my daughter to get back into her construction management class again this year, which she'll graduate with a lot of resources that she needs in order to get a really good job after high school. A couple of other things I've been working on is my actual website, and I'll go ahead and give you a sneak peek here. And I have been working on a couple of stretch knit dresses, and my first one that I made was actually this one right here. And I'm not going to show you any photos or anything of me actually in these right now because it's just been a long week, but I did want to go ahead and share. This first one is just a plain nightgown that has a high neck, and it's just a basic block stretch knit dress that I have from my Pattern Lab London, Pattern Lab London. So that's where I got this pattern from, and I went ahead and started pattern drafting this dress, which has a lower neckline. And on one side, I actually went ahead and opened it up and I gathered it back down. So it has a ruching effect on one side. I don't know. This fabric is really hard to actually see that even on. So I don't know if you can see that, but both of these dresses are really great. I love them. And I went ahead and signed up for the trial at Seamwork and downloaded the Wallace dress and workout outfit, I guess is what it is. But it reminded me a lot of the Halara dresses that you see on TikTok. And I've been wanting one of them, but I don't like buying fast fashion anymore. And yes, I am wearing regular t-shirts. I wear a lot of t-shirts still, but I am in the process of completely changing my wardrobe over to my own handmade wardrobe. But the Wallace does not come with pockets. So what I ended up doing is I cut into the pattern and I ended up making pockets right here on it for me to be able to slide my phone into and stuff like that. And it's very similar to the Halara dress. You just end up needing to pattern hack it a little bit and add your own pockets into the side seam, in which I might go ahead and show a video tutorial on how I did that later on because both of my daughters want this outfit now. They both want the style dress, and you know what? I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it for them, and we're going to go from there. I am in the middle of doing a tea dyeing job on some fabrics. I'm also washing some fabric to make a Elia Mac pajama set for my partner, James. And I've got a lot going on. Ryan has been helping out a lot here in the office for her home ec style class that we are doing for her homeschooling program and things along those lines. So I am homeschooling my youngest daughter, and one of the things is we are doing baking this year and we are doing sewing. So I am teaching her how to sew, and we're just going to go from there. She's helping out quite a bit and she loves helping me in here. So I love having her in here, and that's going to help me. It's going to help the website. And all right, I will see y'all guys next week. Bye.